Hey, peace, family. What's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. If it's your first time here, I talk about ways to make money online, ways to establish your business credit, and just ways you can get your income. And I'm just here to plant seeds and maybe help you out on your generational wealth.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?
So let's get to it. Today, we're actually going to be talking about cashback rewards, how to make money and save money, because in this time and the way this economy is looking, every dollar counts, every penny counts. Okay, so let's just get into two apps that you can actually use to actually save money and make money at the same time. The first app is gonna call Rakuten. I think that's how you say it. Don't beat me up. All right, so let's see here. As I click in this app, of course you sign up for these apps and they ask you basic information or whatever, but let's just start off. Earn $25. Simple part right here. Earn a bonus for each person who joins and spends $25. They'll get $10. So boom, that's simple enough right there. But actually, let's see the apps they have on here. JCPenney, Nike, Sephora, cool. Me personally, I'm worried about right now what I'm going to be spending money at anyway. Target is 1% cash back. That's okay, right? But at least it's something back, right? But you might be going to Target to get groceries. It might be a good place that's not as packed as Walmart and some other places, all right? You got Sam's Club, 1.5% cash back. So if you're a Sam's Club member, then that may be something you look into. Groupon up to 6% off. eBay. So Postmates, we know a lot of people right now ordering food. So you can actually save money with Postmates. Here's some other places: Purple Carrot, SodaStream, Food Saver. If you're using the vacuum sealer stuff. So for me, I kind of look at places like that I'm actually able to use right now. Everybody's buying groceries and buying food, but you might be at bodybuilding.com, Beachbody, Swanson. I'm not sure, but if you are spending money at Target or at Purple Carrot or at Postmates or at Sam's Club, at any of these places you're already gonna be spending money at anyway, you might as well sign up for this app. Look, Uber Eats is on here. So those are apps that I feel like people are using right now, and it'd be beneficial for you to save some money. How much? 5% cash back. So I would do that. Plus you can share the app, and if somebody actually spends $25, say on some Uber Eats or something like that, Target, Sam's Club, it's easy to do. You get some money there, so that'll be benefits on both sides. So that's app number one. Let's get into app number two, which I've talked about before, and it's one of my favorites. All right, so let's actually back out of here, and we can actually see. All right, so we can actually see this app is called Dash, and with Dash, you can see right now they're doing 2% cash back on Walmart. You got 5% cash back on Ali, Buffalo Wild Wings, and Schwann's Home. So some of the same businesses, but I feel like Dodge has more that people are actually using and doing right now. So a sidebar, I know a lot of people are at home. We're not booking hotels, but they actually have great cashback rewards on hotels. So you see right here, $30 hotel bonus. For a limited time, you get a $20 cashback bonus plus up to 40% cashback when you book a hotel on Dodge. They have a lot of good specials they run on hotels from time to time. So it's something to check into. 10% off Target Cosmetics if you're into makeup and stuff like that. Shoe Carnival 4%. So like I said, I'm kind of like the guy who likes to actually look at food and drink, but you can see a lot of places. I think they have Buffalo Wild Wings, Bourbon Street Seafood, Los Burritos. It's gonna differ in whatever area you're in. One time they were doing Wendy's and they were doing Dunkin' Donuts and stuff, but it's different. I would download it and check in your area, and all you have to do is really, when you come in here, you're going to add your card up top right here to the top right, and you can see I got $15 balance just from sharing this app and whatnot. So you have to have $25 to withdraw, but it's a good way to actually save money, make money, and you can actually refer people. Right now it's $5 per referral. Sometimes it's 10, sometimes it goes up to 12, and even at one point in time it was 15. Here, I'll show you real quick. So you can see right here, just in around the holidays, it was actually like $15 a referral, and I was actually promoting it quite often then, and made a pretty decent amount of money in a short period of time. So if you're going to be doing takeout, you're going to be doing DoorDash and Postmates and all these Uber Eats, you definitely should download these two apps so you can save money and make money, especially in this time of need. We all need the extra dollars in our bank account. So I put the 2 links to these apps down below, and I hope this helped you out. Peace. Too smart to be broke.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?